Hello? Hello there. Where is everybody?
Here's Goldilocks. She's been walking in the forest for a very long time, and now she's very tired. Look, she's just come across this little house.
Oh, whose house is this?
There are lots of different trees in the forest around the house. Do you know their names?
This is an oak tree. Can you see the acorns on it? Pigs like acorns very much. This is a birch. It looks like a zebra because it's all stripy. This one's a fir tree. Have you ever decorated a fir tree for Christmas or New Year? These are bushes. These are clouds in the sky. It looks as if it's going to rain soon.